Welcome back to another West Country Tech video. In this video we'll be talking to Harry, a Mole Valley shareholder. We'll be asking him how being a Mole Valley customer determined his decision to have a West Country Tech system installed, and how that system has affected his business since its installation.
I'm Harry Pinsent. We're dairy farming down in South Devon near Ivybridge. We milk 330 spring block calving cows on a New Zealand type system, very focused on grazing. We're a family farm. I'm third generation. There are a team of 4 of us, work full time on the farm, doing the day-to-day runnings of the business. We are a Mole Valley shareholder, have been for a number of years. Mole Valley are a big part of our business now, with buying quite a lot through them. So yeah, saw a lot of the articles in the Mole Valley Shareholder newsletter about Tom and West Country Tech, and sort of went on the theory that if Mole Valley are prepared to sort of have them in their newsletter and promote them, that it's a fairly good testimony to a business, and yeah, we've been very impressed so far. We've thought for a long time we need to sort of do something about some form of security on the farm. It's always been sort of ideal for us to have livestock monitoring, especially through our peak seasons in calving. It actually happened, I was away on holiday at the time and I had a message from a couple of local people to say that there'd been a couple of on-farm break-ins, and I just thought that was it. You want to act sort of proactively rather than reactively. The other big thing for us was we get pretty poor internet around us, so the Starlink to sort of be able to bounce that around multiple properties as well on the farm. So yeah, we had a system put in which was comprised of bullets, turrets and the PTZ cameras. Got 3 PTZ monitoring in the 3 main sheds, the calving shed and this shed and another cubicle shed. Cameras in the parlour to make sure that we're sort of up to Arla standards. And then the T-op cameras, which have got the flashing lights, alarms, sensors on them. We also, with the Starlink, had wireless links sent up to the parlour, into the office up there, and obviously broadband put throughout the house through the Zyxel boxes. The broadband, the Starlinks transformed, we were getting download speeds of sort of 1 to 2. You know, we're getting incredible download speeds now with the Starlink, which just means that the whole system will work a lot better, a lot clearer. The system, more than anything, peace of mind. It's all remote. We've got an app we can look at any time, day or night, check the whole farm, so I don't have to be here. I can just unlock my phone and I've got everything. For us, we're spring block calving our cows. We calve a lot of cows in a short period of time, and the ability to sit indoors and control all the PTZs, move him around, zoom it right in, go back and look at footage so we can see whose calf is whose. It's much easier for all the staff on the farm that have got access to the PTZs, so they don't have to come out all the time checking cows. For instance, this shed is 250 foot long. There's a PTZ in the middle, and we can zoom in to the far end of the shed and you can read an ear tag number. So from the sort of livestock monitoring, it's game changer.